Hey everyone! I will be sharing with you a few things that I do to help motivate my kids for distance learning. I'm going to start off with the quotes. I myself love quotes. I feel like they're a really great tool to keep you positive. I made these little posters and I post them in their room. On top of the mini posters, I have a little collection of my kids' favorite candies and snacks. I pack them their own little thinking candy pouch to get them through their distance learning day. Something I do quite often is I leave them love notes. I think it's really important to remind them how much they are loved and how proud we are of them. We start our day at 7 a.m. After breakfast, we go out for a morning walk. On top of getting a little exercise, this really wakes them up to get them ready for school. Start off our week with a new quote. This week is, "It's a good day to be happy." I deliver my love notes, and of course, I bring them their thinking candies. Most importantly, without all the added fluff, is just to have a nice, quiet space for them to complete their schoolwork. Distance learning is definitely different and something for all of us to get used to. Not only the kids, but for the parents as well. So I hope my tips can help some of you out there. Thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful day.